Hello everyone, this is Liu from Changzhou Jiecheng Auto Parts. Today I bring you guys with our 3-inch lens hand lamp. This is our model GC31. You can check it. Its brightness can reach over 8,000 lumens. You see, in this product, you see this projector name is special. And here we equipped it with our universal bracket, which can make you to install this headlight in your car without any damage. And on the back of it, we also equipped it with our high-speed dissipation fan. It supports voltage from 9 to 20, and we can also do higher voltages. For the lens, we can engrave your name on it, or maybe on sale. If there is anything I can help you, can contact me directly. And for the next, I will show you how it looks like white light on.